Wanna know how to use support memory like a pro? Well, no worries. Support memory in Dragon Ball Z might seem small, but it can change battles completely. So in order to use it and optimize it, go to the team menu and choose the memory icon. You'll see memories that boost attack, defense or KI for specific categories. Pick the one that fits your team's category like science, fusion or movie heroes. They activate automatically once you meet the required conditions during the battle. The simple trick is to use the right memory for each event type. So the defensive ones, make sure you choose it for hard events, and offensive ones, you choose it for short ones. It gives an easy boost, a big impact, so make sure to use them fast and win smarter. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.